How you doing, everyone? We're here in a windy Blackpool. We're at the Dungeons. They've kindly invited us down to experience their limited time attraction that they've got on, the Seance of the Bathtub Bride. It's meant to have some jump scares. It's meant to be fun and scary at the same time, so different to what they've normally got on. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Let's get in there and see what it's all about.
The Bathtub Bride. But you'll find out more about that later. For soon you're going to be wandering through the depths of the dungeon all alone. That's a lie, actually. You won't be alone. Creatures, they know. They see. They watch everything you do. So you best be on your best behaviour, because the creatures definitely will not be.
We're waiting for the show to start, we're waiting to go in. Ooh. Actually meant to be jump scares on this one, so it should be different to normal. Can't wait.
They call me the Black Jester, keeper of the keys. Only I can get you in the dungeon. But can I get you out? Well, if we look over here, we've got some poor peasants. Oh. And here, some lost souls. And here, we have the doom. Trick or treat, lots of protein in your meat. Some are nice, some are mean. Happy Halloween. No, to come down here. Right, then out the boxes.
Revenge upon you. Upon you! No man, no woman is safe, rich, poor, all will be struck down. It is a reign of terror which God has brought upon you for your ungodliness. A plague, the Black Death, it is God's terrible vengeance!
When I look into your eyes, I see pain, confusion, and stupidity! It is your stupidity that has spread this plague!
You see your organs, they turn to mush. Your lungs, they turn black. Your bladder, watch out, putrefies. Still full. Some say well, that it will go to suck the pus right out of the pupils. First, we slash the wrists. This one turns a bit. Oh, this one to make one of nervous. Oh, you're such a fuss. Oh!
This way!
There you go. Covered in blood.
No, because I didn't sit on the chair.
Oh, you did get squirted? Oh, okay, I did.
Anybody know anyone from Yorkshire?
Yeah.
You, Cage.
Oh.
Go on, Katie, get in the cage.
Sit yourself down. Peasants, you know, find yourselves in the depths of... However, if you get them right... I use them on you. Louder. Louder. Louder! That's it! Once his duties need to see it! What's your move? You must all now go to court and be tried for all your wicked crimes. You're going to stay with me, I'm afraid.
For this case, I bring it up against you, sir. Now to get into the door, peasants, boo the criminal! Name?
Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Birmingham.
Now, Jay from Birmingham, are you aware that we are in the midst of an epidemic of body snatching? Oh yes, lots of local peasants have taken it upon themselves to go around and start bonking off their friends and neighbours and selling their bodies to earn a quick guinea. And you, Jay, you're no stranger to this, are you? No, you're not. For last Wednesday you were seen entering Lancaster Cathedral, where you snuck behind the dark corner of a pulpit, and in front of the entire congregation, you began bashing the bishop. This is not the first time you've done this, is it? No, it's not, and it really has to stop. You cannot go around bashing the bishop, especially when there are people watching. It's disgusting. Fun, yes, put it on. Turn to your angry mob. Angry mob. Ah! Now repeat after me. I, Jay of Birmingham.
I, Jay of Birmingham.
Do apologise.
Do apologise.
To the people.
To the people.
Of the pool that is black.
Of the pool that is black.
For.
Bashing
the bishop.
Bashing the bishop.
I knew you'd confess. Now put that side knuckle, I'll have you for them. Peasants, boo the bishop as Get out of my sight, you filthy criminal self. Very guilty, man.
The witching hour is almost upon us, but I knew I would find some fellow conjurers who couldn't resist coming here on such a special night. Oh, that's just next to us. By you! Amate, Spiritus Obscure, Alice, come forth. Let us help guide you to a better place. Amate, Spiritus Obscure! Are you there? Get out now! Come on, this way! Now, you all know why you're here, don't you? Well, you sat in this cave outside the town of Skipool on All Hallows Eve in the year of our Lord 1710 to earn a bit of extra money. Everyone say extra money!
Extra money!
Lovely. In fact, if any of you are thinking of turning us in, we'll add your bones to the collection. Right then, enough chat. It's time for you to meet Captain Johnson, or the Ghost of Skipool, as he's now called. It might get a little bit dark in here, but nothing to worry about whatsoever. Well, unless of course there are any spies. Good luck. Still alive? Well, Captain Johnson must have been feeling generous. You there, witchy. Madam, stand up. Right, you're going to be the leader of your coven. You're going to lead your group out these doors, down the stairs to Pendle. You'll find your sister witch hanging about. Go on. And the rest, go on. Calm down. Down to Pendle you go, witches.
Over here. I'm over here. It's time for more raggings. Woo!
1612, me and 9 other citizens of the parish of Pendle have been accused, tried and found guilty of practicing witchcraft. Now it's your turn. Yeah, you've all been found guilty of witchcraft. So wait here, they'll be along to get you. Very exciting.
Peasants of Pendle, you've all been found guilty of witchcraft and are therefore sentenced to hang on drop dead. The drop ride to doom.
Got them picture frames as well. We got the little teddies. They're cool, aren't they? The little bags are cool, look. Got coffins and skeletons and cauldrons and that on. Got the t-shirts. It's looking cool. Got the tree already. Look at all the decorations. They're cool. Right, so there you have it. That's the dungeons with the sort of spooky update for Halloween, and then the new little bit in there, the Seance of the Bathtub Bride. I did like how they changed that room. So you got like like the Ouija board thing on the table. So obviously I forgot what the thing's called on it. The thing moves. Yeah, it's a nice little update. So if you've done it before, at least it's a bit of a refresh to come and do it again. They did try and include some more jump scares and stuff as well. We wasn't always right at the front, so we missed a couple. Because obviously when you go room to room, you sort of switch positions. But no, it's good, it's worth it. If you're down this way, definitely book in, give it a try. And on that note, we'll see you in the next one. We've got plenty more stuff coming up this week on the lead up to Halloween. Check out the rest of the videos on the playlist on YouTube as well. So on that note, see you in the next one. Bye! Say bye.